The right time for using solar energy for houses. Use of solar energy is becoming more and more popular every day. The price of electricity is rising, and the best alternative that we have today is using solar energy. We all know that global warming is on an everyday rise today. The main reason for this being burning of fossil fuels like coal, which in turn is being used to produce electricity. So if we want our future to be safe, this is the time we step forward and start using solar technology. Need for electrical power. Arguments that have constantly supported that electricity is of utmost importance and needs to remain are 1. Need for light and power after it becomes dark. 2. Need for appliances to work so that the food we eat remains edible. We would be greatly interrupted in our daily routine if we did not have power or electricity for large portion of day. Not being able to use electricity for either work or entertainment would be a great hamper on life as we know it. Variety of solar energy products. The main reason that many people don't use solar energy is because they are not aware of what all it has to offer. Side being stated that they are not aware of what all products are available that can be used with the help of solar energy for an average home. In fact, you can install solar energy systems that range from small portable systems for your vacation home to large permanent solar energy systems that are built right into your home as either a standalone system or a grid system. It is this wide-ranging versatility coupled with the fact that it is a renewable, easily available power source that makes it such a great thing. You can start out small with individual systems such as solar water heater, solar shower, solar lighting, solar fans. That is not all these days. We also have solar radios, cookers, purification system. Solar energy is far more useful as it can be used to recharge your batteries, and you can also power up every single appliance in your house with the help of the right solar system. It is just a matter of determining where you want to utilize it. Solar energy can be used in your garden or home. By using it in multiple places around the household, you can cut your power bills significantly. There are a multitude of uses for solar energy around the household. It can be used to recharge your batteries, phone, and other small appliances. Once you discover solar energy for the home, you will realize that you can power up virtually any electrical appliance or machine with the right solar energy system and supplies. Conclusion. After reading the above article, you can quickly start to see where and how utilizing solar energy would benefit you, your pocketbook, and your children. Just remember that today's saving could lead to a bright and healthy future. So invest in solar system kits, and you can enjoy every aspect of electricity with the help of solar energy. You can work in well-lit conditions, you will save your money, and you will protect the environment. You can enjoy solar energy for the house by working it in your life gradually.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.